Starting off with the basics, Deepshot's video editor is comprised of two main parts. The first of which is this side panel located here, which is where you can create, record, or upload audio, view your detective actors, and lip sync your final video. The second main part is this timeline located down here, which is where you'll place and position your audio for generation. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on audio generation as that's the most complex and has the most moving pieces. So to get started with audio creation, we'll begin by navigating to the TTS tab. To get started in this tab, we'll first need to either select or create a voice before we can generate any audio. I'll be using a pre-existing voice, but to show you how you create a voice, you just click on this Create New Voice, upload your samples, give your voice a name, and then continue to upload and create that voice. So for optimal output, when it comes to voice creation, we recommend you upload about 2 minutes of speaking in order to get the best sounding output. So now that we're done with that, I'm going to select my voice, enter a test script, generate my audio, and then wait for that generation to complete. So if at any point you have trouble getting a generation sounding just the way you want to, don't worry, we have options. Clicking on this settings icon over here, we have 3 different models you can use, LMNT and 2 ElevenLabs models. This first model is for text-to-speech, and we also offer speech-to-speech if you want to get the intonation and emotion conveyed just the way you want it to. So all audio generated, recorded, or uploaded will appear in this media panel after it has been added to the platform. To get audio into the timeline, you can either click on these 3 dots and select Add to Timeline, or you can grab it and drag and drop it into the timeline. If your video has multiple actors or speakers in it, you're going to want to pre-select the actor that you want that audio to go into before adding it to the timeline. To view the video detections for each actor, you can navigate over to the Actors tab over here and click on the eye icon for whichever actor you want to see. So I'm going to quickly add this audio to the timeline. And now once it's there, you can drag and drop it to any position you want. And alternatively, if you want to give a more specific timestamp, you can right-click on the audio and then click Specify Start Time, and then enter either a start or end time for your audio, and then click Save. In that same menu, when you right-click on the audio, you can also crop it down for instances where you only want to sync a portion of an audio that, say, you uploaded. So you can click on the Crop Audio and either trim the start or end of that video. So now that our audios are ready for syncing, we're going to navigate over to the Sync tab, select a model, click Generate Video, confirm that generation, wait for it to complete, and then we're done.